Check this out, 1969 Dodge Coronet RT. Little plum crazy purple action going on. This is an original RT car. It's also original 440. The engine is non-numbers matching in this car, but it is a date code correct block on it. Has had the 6-pack added and also the cold air Ram Charger intake added to it. Very sharp looking car in that plum crazy purple, of course. Also some upgrades to this car. It does have AC added to it. As you can see, the late model alloy wheels, and it is 4-wheel disc all the way around. And those are power brakes. You get power brakes, 4-wheel disc all the way around, power steering, AC. So very nicely equipped car. Still retains white bucket seats. Center console. That 440 is obviously paired with an automatic transmission. Shifter down on the floor there. If you'd like to check out the underside pictures of the car, the engine bay, check out the cold air intake, trunk, interior, any of those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Feel free to give us a call too, 507-386-1726. Be a phone number you can reach us at. I do have the data tag decoded, and that's in with the pictures also. So if you want to see how this car was set up originally, you're more than welcome to. There's a picture of the VIN on there, so you can check it out, get an idea how the car was when it was originally rolled off the plant. Again, interior's in very, very nice shape. Let's go ahead and open this up so you can check out some more of it. Check out the door cards, and we'll start it up so you can hear that 440 run. So the door cards are in nice shape. Carpeting, headliner, vinyl seats. All in nice shape. It's cool how they did the AC controls right there where the original ones would have been. As you can see, it's got a later model AM/FM CD player in it, and some gauges down below as far as what do we got there? It looks like temp gauge, volts, and oil pressure. Odometer shows about 90,629, but obviously it has been restored since then. Other thing, take a look at that. The tick-tock-tack and the clock actually works. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Very nice starting and running car. Sounds very healthy. So the radio and everything powers up. Slip around to the back so you can listen to it. Again, if you'd like to check out the still pictures, the interior, undersides, engine bay, uniqueclassiccars.com. Nice little rumble out of that 440. See, it's not smoking or anything. Again, non-numbers matching, but it does have era correct, date code correct block to it. Was originally a 440 car, automatic transmission, lots of good equipment, power steering, power brakes, air conditioning, those 4-wheel discs all the way around at all 4 corners. 1969 Dodge Coronet RT. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, or of course that website was uniqueclassiccars.com.